Let's keep on modeling the clamp's parts. In this video, we're drawing its body. Opening a new part, we're selecting the multiple line command, and we'll start from the origin. I'll draw it with the measures available on the image right here on the side, but feel welcome to create your geometry any way you'd like. Just remember to keep the specific measures mentioned in this video. Now that we have a geometry drawn, let's extrude it. It will be an extrusion of 18 millimeters. With that done, we'll start to give it some details. First, we're rounding the body, selecting the command fillet and adding a radius of 12 millimeters. Then we'll repeat that operation, but now with a radius of 5 millimeters. Now that we've shaped the body, we're moving to the part's top. Now we're rounding the other side of the part to create a hole and stretches on the jaw in the end. With the fillet tool habilitated, we're inputting a measure of 9 millimeters on the radius, and then we're selecting the edges in which we're applying the operation. Apply and confirm. Moving on, we'll use the hole tool. On the drilling conditions on the tab type, we're selecting Simple. Now on the Thread Creating tab, we're selecting the ISO standard, selecting the option M10X1.0. Last but not least, on the length, we're inputting 15 millimeters. Now click on OK and define the face and the center point to position our hole on the part. That being done, we're moving to the stretches, and here we're working with some planes, so it's important that you pay attention to the next steps. First, we'll select the face where we're adding the stretches, and on it, we're selecting the line command. Design 2 diagonal lines. We'll be using them soon. We'll finish this sketch and design the planes I mentioned before. It's simple. We'll habilitate the plane tool, then input its angulation, which will be 45 degrees. Then confirm with OK and select the referential face and line of the angulation. We'll select the plane we just created, and we'll start a new sketch so we can extrude it and remove the material. We're drawing a geometry with the following measures. 2.5 millimeters is length and 1 millimeter is height. Now we're making an extrusion with a measure of 50 millimeters. Next, we're creating a second plane so that, in the end, the extrusions cross over, making a stretch pattern. We're repeating the operation we just did, first using the plane tool, selecting the face and edge of reference. Then we're drawing the geometry with the same measures. And lastly, we're doing an extrusion with the measure of 50 millimeters. Done? All right. Now we're making that pattern all over the part's surface, selecting the linear pattern command. On it, add the quantity of 12 and distance of 2.5, as it's the length of the geometry. Remember? Confirm the operation and repeat it on the other side. Last but not least, alter the material to carbon steel on the Color and Material tab. And we're done. The clamp's body is ready. Well guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.